Hello everyone, welcome to Park Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve this nice square root math problem. Now to solve this question properly and step by step, first we will write solution and then we will rewrite this question in the solution again, and I will try to solve it step by step. So the question is square root of 10 times square root of 10 times square root of 10 is equal to 100 raised to power x. Now first of all, I will try to eliminate this square root from the left hand side. So to eliminate this square root, we will take square on both sides. So let us take square on both sides. Now here in the left hand side, this square and this square root will be cancelled with each other, and in the right hand side 100 raised to power x whole raised to power 2, here we will use an exponential math property and we will multiply the powers with each other. So here we will use this exponential math property, a raised to power m whole raised to power n can also be written as a raised to power m times n. So by using this exponential property, in the right hand side of this equation will become here 10 times square root of 10 times square root of 10 is left, and in the right hand side we will multiply the powers with each other. So it will become 100 raised to power 2x. Now again we will try to eliminate this square root from the left hand side. So to eliminate this, again we will take square on both sides. So let us take square again on both sides. So in the left hand side, this square will be applied on these two numbers 10 and square root of 10 times square root of 10. So it will become 10 square times, and it will become square root of 10 times square root of 10 whole raised to power 2 is equal to, and here we will use this same exponential formula and we will multiply the powers with each other. So 2 times 2 is 4, so it will become 100 raised to power 4x, and here this square and this square root will be cancelled with each other. So here only 10 will be left. So it will become 10 raised to power 2 times 10 times square root of 10 is equal to, it will become 100 raised to power 4x. Now my dears, look at these two numbers, both has the same basis, so we will add their powers with each other. So it will become 10 raised to power 2 plus 1 is 3, so it will become 10 raised to power 3 times square root of 10 is equal to, and here we can write 100 as 10 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 4x. So again here we will use the above exponential math property and we will multiply the powers with each other. So it will become 100 raised to power 3 times square root of 10 is equal to, it will become 10 and 2 times 4 is 8. So 10 raised to power 8x. Now my dears, there is a square root over 10. So here we will try to eliminate this square root from 10. So again, to eliminate this square root, we will take square. So again taking square on both sides. So here in the left hand side, this square will be applied on these two numbers 10 raised to power 3 and square root of 10, and here we will use the exponential property and we will multiply the powers with each other. So this equation will become, it will become 10 raised to power 3 whole raised to power 2 times square root of 10 whole raised to power 2 is equal to, and it will become 10 raised to power 8 times 2 is 16, 16x. So here 3 times 2 is 6, so it will become 10 raised to power 6 times, and here this square and this square root will be cancelled with each other, so only 10 will be left here, is equal to, and this side will be the same, 10 raised to power 16x. So again here the power is 1 and the bases are same, so we will add the powers with each other, so it will become 10 raised to power 6 plus 1 is 7, is equal to, this side will be the same, 10 raised to power 16x. Now my dears, look it to both sides. On both sides the bases are same, so here we will compare the powers with each other. So let us compare the powers. It implies 7 is equal to 16x. Now since we need to find the value of x, so we will try to eliminate this 16 from here. So to eliminate this 16, we will divide both sides by 16. So let us divide both sides by 16. So here in this right hand side, this 16 and this 16 will be cancelled with each other, so only x will be left here. So we will write x here is equal to, and here 7 by 16 is left. So finally x is equal to 7 by 16 is the answer and solution of this nice square root math problem. And last, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for such a more interesting math videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.